Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Is it on video?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You're making Christmas dinner 2006?
Yeah. And here's Cody's masterful job at organizing the kitchen. There's her new dishwasher.
That I've used 1, 2, 3 times already.
She's already washed 3 loads of dishes. For those of you that have been in our apartment, you can tell this kitchen is looks much bigger than it had before. And it's got all these appliances in it. Coffee maker, that's the dishwasher, there's a microwave, refrigerator, stove.
Oh, I threw the thing away.
What'd you throw away?
The breadstick package.
Oops. Hudson, what are you doing? Hudson. What's going on, Hudson? Merry Christmas.